Hi guys, so I'm Divya and I have done my graduation in fashion design from Amity Noida campus. And this video is going to be all about the things I experienced through my fashion journey career there. So if you're planning to pursue the fashion design from Amity, this video might help you. Okay, so the first part is the admission process. So many of you wanted to know how to get admission in Amity Noida. So firstly, I would suggest you do not go through any agency or any agent, because you can simply do all the admission process on your own from their website. So you don't need anyone's help, any agent's help basically. Admission process is really very simple. Anyone, literally anyone, can get into this college. So what you have to do, firstly, visit their website, inquire about the course you are interested in. Some of the recipient from the college will connect you on call and ask you simple questions. So my admission was basically during the COVID time, so I had to give the interview online, and the exam was also online. There was only one question in which there was a scenario which we had to recreate, obviously at our home, with our own drawing sheet and colors and paper and pen ready on hand. And it was of about, I think, 1 hour exam. So the exam was conducted on the Microsoft Teams app. So they basically give you the scenario like kids playing in the ground, park, kids playing football in the ground or something like that, very easy. So you have to just draw that scenario and yeah, just upload it. That's it. Yeah. And after you get selected, after 1 to 2 days, someone from the campus, your faculty would be calling you for the interviews. So there will be two faculties sitting in front of the camera. They will be asking you the basic questions: your name, your age, which place you are, why you want to study fashion, and what motivated you to do fashion design from Amity only. These the basic questions. Yeah, I know it was very, very simple. I was actually very nervous that what they are gonna ask and this and that, but it was very simple, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, my first year was online mode. We used to have our classes on Microsoft Teams. But yeah, after the 6 months of first year, we were called up to university. Like we can join the classes offline. First year was a mix of excitement and confusion and nervousness. Everything was there. I made very good friends also, but in the end, as you know, as you might know, they all turned out to be snakes. Okay, so you might think that fashion design course is all about glamour, styling, and fun. The reality is very, very different. You literally have the busiest days, more than a BTech IT student. Okay, so in the first year, you get the very basic subjects, mostly the theory subjects. You have only 1 to 2 practical subjects, like the pattern making and garment sewing. And the most exciting part is you also get to learn about the Illustrator, Photoshop, Corel Draw, and everything related to computer. So honestly, I would say that in the fashion department, basically the fashion department of Amity Noida, whatever the faculties you get there, they are not much supportive. Might be 1 or 2 people are there who are very, very supportive, irrespective of their favorite student. Most of the faculties are like, this is my favorite child, this is my favorite student, so I will prefer him or her more than other of you. If licking someone's ass is not your cup of tea, I would suggest to not do it. So now I'm going to share about the subjects we learned there. My favorite part was doing the fashion illustration, and other than that, we also learned about pattern making, garment construction. So you get basically a whole studio where all the sewing machines are there. There also a pattern making room, basically a lab room, where the faculties teach you about all the patterns, making them from scratch. And yeah, and then we have the textile learning studios, where you actually get the, obviously you get it on your own, the textile samples, the fabric samples. You get to weight, the measurement, the everything there. The machines are there to help you with that. And then we also learned about the fashion history, surface designing. So it was all about learning the mood board, concept board, inspiration board, and everything which you add on which you basically add in your portfolio. So they basically teach you everything about adding you in your portfolio to make it more strong and creative and everything. In the second and the third year, you mostly get to learn about the garment construction, pattern making, and computer based skills, like how to edit the Illustrator, the Photoshop, the Corel Draw, and everything. For me personally, the pattern making subject was a little bit tough, but as you grow and try to understand the things, and then definitely the pattern making is not that tough if you focus from the start. So in the second year, hand stitching mainly, we learned about the different stitches from different states, what they represent. So yeah, in the fourth year, main focus is the major project, in which we have to make 6 types of garments. You can make any, like from dresses to saris to quads, anything you like. Firstly, you have to select a theme, which you have to get select a theme of your garment. Basically it's like the portfolio you are making. So firstly you have to choose a theme on which you are making on which you are going to make the project of all the 6 garments. So firstly, when you choose the theme, you get it approved from your faculties or assigned faculties, and then you move ahead with the concept board, mood board, inspiration board, everything which is technical related. Then you make illustrations, sketch work, everything. And then you go to the fabric hunting. You get the fabric swatches, you get it approved again from your faculties, and then you start making your garments, basically your 6 major garments, because the process is very crucial. So basically there are 2 faculties sitting in your lab, in your GC lab. Firstly you will have to show them your fabric. Basically they will mention everything, which color is your fabric, what are you gonna make from it, and every process you have to get it approved from them. So basically if you are on the first day, if you are cutting the fabric, so you will have to get it approved from your faculty, like, sir, I am cutting the fabric piece today, so please write it in the register. So it's a very exhausting process. I don't know why they have made this such a big scene. The ASFT department conducts a fashion show, which mostly happens in the AYF, which is Amity Youth Fest. So you get to choose your models also, which are gonna be your juniors. Obviously you get to choose your models, you get them try the garments, if it fits them or not, and then again getting it approved, like, this is my model and this is she gonna wear it. And then on the main day, on the day of basically the fashion show, the models are gonna do the ramp walk for your designs. So yeah, this is how the fashion design is in the Amity Noida. If you want to know any more details, or you want to be specific on some other topic, you can comment and I'll make sure to reply you. And so I'll try to make a video for you also on the topic. So yeah, that's it. The major thing is basically the life after you graduate. So I'll be talking about the internships and the after graduation life in the next video. And so yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.